Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 36-inch Evergo spinner ceiling fan. This fan is dated sometime in 1984, I know that. August of 1984, right there. Usually on Evergo's it says like right there, there's a sticker. Yeah, there you go. More Evergo stickers. Here's this one on top of the motor. I don't know if you guys can read that well. Anyway, as you guys can see, it's not really in the greatest shape. Got paint peeling. Yeah, all over the place. It's also rusty right there. I don't know what that would be from, probably being left outside, but it still works. Amazingly, it wobbles like a son of a gun though. But yeah, without any further ado, I'll demonstrate it here. I'm also surprised that how not really yellowed the canopies are. It's a two-piece system, just like an original canopy. I've seen these canopies a lot more yellowed than this. But I'm surprised it's still somewhat good. Anyway, here's low speed. This fan's very quick for, for how small it is. But it doesn't surprise me that it's this quick, because there's barely any blade pitch to it. So yeah, I picked this fan up off of like a curb for cleanup week, just like how I picked up a Summit. These two fans were both cleanup week finds, but doing separate videos of them. Yeah, this fan doesn't perform bad at all. It just wobbles really bad, and it just has a bit of bearing noise. But other than that, it works. Take it up to medium. That's where it gets all crazy. This thing wobbles like crazy. I'm not sure what is going on. Yeah. I got this a few years ago, and I just realized I don't think I ever made a video of this thing. But I've had it for a while now, and now I'm finally making a video of it. My God, is this thing wobbly. Holy cow. It's seriously just amusing at this point. Alright, take it up to high speed now. This thing, like, soars. Like, just... It is insanely fast how quick this thing goes. Getting a little breeze off of it. Let's do a distance test for this guy. Just curious to see how much this little 36-inch can push. Okay, so I'm getting a little something back here. I'm getting a little breeze back here. It's not like horrible. Yeah, I don't know why it would be wobbling, because it's not really out of whack that badly. I will say though, one of the blades is kind of split or broken almost. I'll show you it after it spins down. Got a close up of it now. thing's soaring. Moving quite a bit of air. Not bad. All right, spin down time. Oh my god, that thing is crazy. Yeah, I don't understand why it has to get all batshit crazy like that. That is just ridiculous. Yeah, I was surprised to have this thing. It came with everything, shockingly. Same with the Summit. The Hunter Summit had everything as well. Very impressed to find 2 Cleanup Week fans fully complete with everything. Alright, I feel like there was something I was going to show you. Oh yeah, the blade. The blades are a little warped, but see that? Good little right there. So I wonder if that's what's causing this thing to be so batshit crazy. But yeah, none of the blades are really too out of clock. So I don't, again, not really sure. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of this thing, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.